So we look at everything we do in our practice. Kind of like on the business side, we talk about standard operating procedures. On the clinical side, we talk about clinical operating procedures. And there's a people element, there's a process element, and there's a production element. So for me, NeoDiamonds in our practice, I guess for all four of us docs in the practice, we want that precision and predictability. So I love depth cutters. I know exactly how much clearance I need for the material I'm going to choose. And to me, it just makes sense from a speed standpoint and a predictability standpoint to depth cut. From there, I love a coarse diamond. I can get aggressive in my preparation, and I like to then come back with the same exact shape with a fine diamond and finesse my preps, because what I've learned is my ability to bond relies on my ability to prep. And quite honestly, on the indirect side of dentistry, what I've learned is the best preps get the best ceramists at any lab in the world. So our ability to deliver really fine-tuned preps matters when it comes to getting great results for our patients.